Hey there, and a huge welcome to the Qtoys family. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk you through the Playbook. This isn't just about selling our toys, it's about connecting with customers on a much deeper level. It's all about selling with purpose. So, let's dive right in.
First, we'll kick things off with the heart of our brand, our mission. Then, we'll unpack the philosophy that makes our toys so special. After that, we'll get into the practical stuff, how to master those customer conversations, create displays that really pop, and finally, how we can grow this incredible partnership together.
Okay, so let's start with the heart of it all. What makes a customer pick one toy over another? You know, it almost always comes down to the why, that core belief that drives every single thing we do here at Qtoys.
This right here, this single sentence is our North Star, to nurture young minds through meaningful play. It's about so much more than just keeping a kid occupied. It's about sparking those moments of discovery, of growth, and that pure, unadulterated joy. This is the emotional connection we're trying to create.
And you know, this mission comes from a very real place. It was born from the passion of an Australian educator who, way back in 2005, wanted to create toys that just did more. This isn't some faceless corporation. It's a family business built on a genuine love for education, nature, and creativity. That authenticity, that's our story. Okay, so that's our why. But how do we actually bring that mission to life? Well, that's where our philosophy of play comes in. This is how we turn a beautiful idea into a tangible developmental experience for every child.
Our core concept is play with purpose. I want you to remember that phrase. It is so powerful on the sales floor. What it means is that every single Qtoy is designed with intention. It's not just fun, it's a learning adventure where children build critical skills without even realizing they're doing it.
Now this is where Qtoys really stands out. A lot of toy brands focus on either open-ended imaginative play or structured learning. We believe a child needs both. So we build a bridge between pure, wild creativity and concrete skill development. We really do offer the best of both worlds.
And this is absolutely crucial. Our toys fit perfectly with popular educational methods like Montessori and Steiner. So why does this matter for you? Because parents and educators are actively out there searching for this stuff. When they walk in asking for natural, child-led learning toys, you've got the perfect answer waiting for them.
All right, we've covered the why and the how. Now for the what, the specific, tangible features that make Qtoys stand out in a pretty crowded market. Think of these as your powerhouse selling points.
First and foremost, quality. We just don't do disposable. Our toys are handcrafted from solid, sustainable timbers. Seriously, they're designed to be family heirlooms, passed down from one child to the next. This incredible durability is a huge part of our value.
80%. Let that number sink in for just a moment. Over 80% of our toys are made by hand. This isn't some sterile factory assembly line. We're talking about true craftsmanship. Every single piece has a human touch, a level of care that machines just can't replicate.
But hey, don't just take our word for it. The real proof comes from our customers. This is the kind of feedback we get all the time. When a parent says a toy will last for generations, you know you're selling something with real, lasting value.
And right up there with quality is safety and sustainability. For modern parents, this is completely non-negotiable. You can confidently tell them that every Qtoy is made from sustainable wood and finished with non-toxic food-grade dyes. That QSafe label, that's our promise of peace of mind.
So you've got all this great information. How do you take it and turn it into a sale? Well, this next section is all about giving you the exact tools you need for confident, persuasive conversations right there on the shop floor.
This is the big one, isn't it? The most common objection you'll probably hear. But instead of seeing it as an obstacle, we see it as an opportunity, a chance to explain the incredible value that's packed into every single Qtoy.
Here's how you reframe it. It's not about cost, it's about investment. It's an investment in a child's development, in quality that lasts for years, and in a healthier planet. And honestly, you'll save money over time compared to replacing cheap plastic toys that just keep breaking.
And to make it even easier, just think about who you're talking to. This little chart is your cheat sheet. Is it an eco-conscious parent? Lead with sustainability. An educator? Talk about how it aligns with their curriculum. A grandparent looking for that special gift? Emphasize the heirloom quality. It's all about tailoring your message.
And please never underestimate the power of social proof. These are real, genuine customer reviews.
When a potential buyer sees other people talking about great quality and how our toys keep their kids engaged for years, it builds instant trust and just validates their decision.
Okay, a great conversation needs a great environment to happen in. How you display Qtoys can make all the difference, turning a simple product on a shelf into an absolutely irresistible invitation to come and play. A winning display is all about creating an experience. This 5-step process will guide you. The whole goal is to make it intuitive, visually appealing, and most importantly, interactive. You're not just stocking a shelf, you're building a story that invites children and parents to engage. Creating small scenes, just like this one, is incredibly effective. See, you're not just showing a product, you're showing a moment of joy and discovery. This helps parents picture that toy in their own home, and that's what really sparks the desire to buy.
Finally, we really want you to know that this is a true partnership. Your success is our success, and we are absolutely committed to giving you all the support you need to grow with us.
Here's the bottom line. We're in this together. We're going to support you with training, we'll boost your marketing on social media, we'll listen to your feedback, and we'll provide exclusive offers. Your success is our success, and we're committed to helping you thrive.
Let's end with this, because this quote just captures everything. When you sell a Qtoy, you're not just completing a transaction. You're helping a family invest in their child's potential and in a more sustainable world. I mean, what could be more purposeful than that?